Dear students, in the series of lectures of computer fundamentals, today we will discuss input devices. Here is the introduction of input devices. Input means give something to the computer. Input devices are those devices through which we can enter data into the computer. Here there are various types of input devices like keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, microphone. Keyboard. Keyboard is the most common and widely used input device. It is used for typing letters and numbers along with some special characters. It has 101 keys like alphabet keys A to Z, function keys F1 to F12, numeric keys 0 to 9, arrow keys, command keys like insert, delete, home, end, page, up, down, etc. Here is the picture of the keyboard. Next is mouse. A mouse is a pointing device and is used for pointing objects on the monitor. It is also used for drawing images. The mouse can be moved on the smooth surface to control the movement of pointer on the monitor. A mouse is an input device that fits comfortably under the palm of your hand. Here are the various images of mouse. Next is the types of mouse. Basically, there are three types of mouse: optical mouse, wheel mouse, and the cordless mouse. Next is the joystick. A joystick is an input device that can be used for controlling the movement of the cursor or a pointer in a computer device. It consists of one or more buttons and a stick that is mounted in the base. And it is mostly used for gaming applications and graphic applications. A joystick can be helpful as an input device for people with movement disabilities. Here is the image of the joystick. Next is the light pen. It is a pointing device. It is used to select a displayed menu option on the screen. When its tip is moved over the screen surface, its photocell sensing element detects the light coming from the screen and the corresponding signals are sent to the processor. It is also used to draw any figure directly on the computer screen. Here is the image of the light pen. Next is scanners. Scanners are used to convert text or image to its electronic representation, which can be viewed on the monitor. MIC. Here are the various types of scanners. First is magnetic ink card reader. Next, optical character reader or OCR, barcode reader, and then optical mark reader. Firstly, we will discuss the magnetic ink card reader MICR. MICR is a character recognition system that uses special ink and characters. When a document that contains special ink needs to be read, it passes through a machine which magnetizes the ink and then translates the magnetic information into character. MICR technology is generally used in banks. Next is the OCR, optical character reader. It is an input device used to read a printed text. OCR scans the text optically, character by character, and then converts into a machine readable code and stores the text on the computer memory. Barcode readers. Barcode readers is a device used for reading barcoded data in the form of light and dark lines. Barcoded data is generally used in labeling goods, numbering the books, etc. Next is OMR. OMR is a special type of optical scanner and it is mostly used for checking the answer sheets of examinations having multiple choice questions. Next is microphone. A microphone is a device that captures audio by converting sound waves into an electrical signal. When you speak over a microphone, you can record your voice or other sounds into the computer. Thank you.